Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you making of swimming pool with walkthrough by using Rivet architectural software. So in this video, I will explain you how to model the swimming pool along with the walkthrough. So initially, you need to open the Rivet architecture software. So click on the Rivet architectural software. The software will be open like this. Click on new project here. So in this template format, just we have to select the architecture template, click on OK. Now the software will be open here like this. It will be consisting of your options like this and user interface which is related to the project browser as well as properties browser. So before going to modeling of swimming pool, initially we need to go to levels here. So select any one of the section. So initially I am deleting the level 2 here. So click on OK option. So after that we have to select the level 1. Just I am giving the rename as GL which is related to the ground level here. Okay. So after that we have to do one more level which is related to the base. Go to level option here. Again we have to select the base. So here I am considering the distance as 5 feet. So here I am dragging to the next point. So it will be consisting of level 3 here. So I am renaming the name as base here. Okay, so after that we have to select the ground level in floor plans. So here we have to draw the swimming pool for this respected structure by using walls. Okay, so here I am selecting walls, architectural wall. So here I am selecting basic 18 generic wall. Initially I am selecting the start and ending arc point. So here I am selecting the first point here like this. Again I am selecting one more point here like this. So after that we have to select one more point like this. So here I am selecting the point like this. Again I am selecting the point here like this. So now I am selecting the final point here like this. Okay, so after that click on the right mark here. So after that click on view option. So here we have to select the default 3D view. So the wall sections will be considered with 20 feet height. So we need to rename this respected wall thickness as well as your height. Okay, so here I am renaming the wall height to 6 feet 0 inches here. Okay, so it will move your wall to the downward section. Now we have to select all the wall properties. So we have to move the initially to the ground level to base section here. So it will move the wall to the ground section. Now we have to see these walls in rendering view. Click on this realistic model. So here we have to select the realistic option. Okay, so after that again go to ground level here. So it will be consisting of this respected section here like this. So for this respected walls we need to add the floor. Okay, so go to base here. So initially we need to go to architecture tab here, select the floor option. So here I am selecting edit type option, click on duplicate option. So here I am giving the name as marble here. So click on edit option again here. So in this thickness also again I am giving it as 1 inch thickness. Now we have to select the materials, select the 3 dots here. So here we have to select the place mark, create new material. Now I am renaming this name marble here. So giving the name as marble. Now we have to select these lines. In the search bar of the top, just we have to type it as marble. Okay, so here I am selecting the last one. Click on OK. Again select this. We have to change the scale. Okay, so here I am selecting the offset which is related to the, let us consider it as 1 feet 0 inches. Again I am taking 1 feet 0 inches is the offset for this respected section. So after that click on apply option, click on OK. So after that we have to click on OK option. Now we have to click on OK for the marble section. Again in the same way I am selecting the arc here with the starting point at this respected position and ending point at this respected position. Now I am selecting one more point here like this. Again I am selecting the starting point here. So after that we have to select the ending point. So here I am selecting the ending point. In the same way just I am closing these respected positions. So click on the right mark option here. So after that click on view option, 3D view. Okay, so now we can see the marble section is assigned at the base for this respected swimming pool. Okay, so after that we have to paint this respected walls here. Okay, so for that initially we need to go to manage here. So initially we need to add the color for this respected walls. Click on materials here. So initially I am selecting the new material here. Again I am changing the name to white color. So white here, click on OK. Again I am selecting the appearance, so which is related to the white option. Click on OK. apply here, click on OK. So now we have to paint this respected wall. So go to modify here, select the paint option, paint one. So we have to select the white color here. So we have to paint the walls with the white color like this. So now I am selecting the white color for painting of the walls here. Okay. So in the same way we have to apply the paint for the remaining wall sections. So here I am applying the painting here like this. So again I am selecting the one more wall section like this. Again I am selecting the one more wall section like this. So after that go to base here. Now we have to go to the ground level section. So here we have to add the grass for the remaining portion. So go to architecture browser, again click on floor option. So click on edit type here, click on duplicate here. So here we have to click on the duplicate. So here we have to give the name as grass. Okay, click on OK. Now click on edit option. So here we have to select the marble. Again we have to create one more material which is related to the grass here. So click on rename option, give the name as grass again. Again we have to select the three dots here. Again in the search bar we have to take the name as grass here. Okay, so select any one of the grass. So here I am selecting the blue grass. Click on cancel. So again click on apply button, click on OK option. Okay, so click on OK option here, again click on OK. Now we have to draw the rectangular section which is related to the grass floor. So here I am selecting the rectangular section with the grass like this. Okay, so after that we have to select the respected start and ending arc point. Select the first point here. Again I am selecting the ending point here like this. So we have to deduct this respected portion from this respected tank. Again I am selecting the one more point at this point. Again I am selecting the last point at this position. Click on the right mark option. So now I will show you this model in rendering view. Click on 3D view. So this is the 3D view for this respected grass section. So now we have to fill this respected tank with the help of water. So for that go to base here initially. Again we have to create the floor. So click on the floor option. Again click on edit type. So click on duplicate option. So we have to rename this name as water. Okay, click on OK. Again in the same way click on edit option. So here I am giving the water level is 5 feet here. So let us consider. So here we have to select the three dots again. Again I am selecting one more section, new material properties. Again rename here. So here I am giving the name as water. Click on OK. Again in the three dots we have to search it as water. Okay, click on enter option. So again it will open your options like this. Select this. So click on apply here. Click on OK. So it will open your water section like this. Again click on OK. Now we have to select the arc starting point. Again select second point. Okay, in the same way we have to connect to the respected remaining points also. So here I am selecting the points like this. Again I am selecting one more point here like this. Again I am coming to the first point here like this with the help of arc command. Click on the right mark here. Click on view option, 3D view option. Now you can see the tank was filled with water here, but the water is going to the respected base level. So initially we need to select the levels here. So select the water at the base. Again we have to select the level from base to ground level here. Okay, now I will show you this model in 3D view. So click on 3D view. Now you can see this is the 3D view for this respected swimming pool section. So after that we have to insert the plants and persons with some benches etc. for this respected section. So select the ground level initially. Again go to architecture component, select the place component option. So click on load family option. Initially I will load the benches section. Go to furniture here. So here we have to select the furniture. So double click on it. So select the seating option. Select the bench locker room. So select this. So we have to place the benches section at some position and at some points here like this. So here I am selecting the positions and points for this respected section like this. So after that we have to insert the trees. So go to component here. Again place component. Again I am selecting load family here. Again we have to select the planting section. Okay, so after that we have to select any one of the plant. So as per my consideration just I am selecting this last one, open here. So again we have to select the options which is related to this respected 25 feet height plant. So here I am selecting the plant like this. Again I am adding the plant for this respected swimming pool like this. Okay, so again I am selecting the point here. Again I am adding one more section. So after that we have to add the persons for this respective swimming pool. Again go to components, place component, load family. So here we have to select the enrows option. So it will be consisting of female persons initially. I will add the some female persons. So here I am selecting this person. Again I am adding to this respected position for this tank. Somewhere here, again somewhere here, again somewhere here. Again I am adding one more section, one more name which is consisting of Lisa some name. Again I am adding this position, and again this position. Again I am some other positions here. Again in the same way we have to load the mail candidates with the help of enroll mail. Click on OK. So here I am selecting this respected names here like this. So here I am selecting initially as Alex name, some Alex name. So here I am selecting some positions and points as per my requirements. Again I am selecting one more name which is related to the J. So here I am selecting some name like this. Again I am adding the persons here. Now we have to see this model in rendering view. Click on view option, click on 3D view. So this is the final view for this respected swimming pool section. Now I will show you with by zooming this respected options, control. So here I am zooming this respected positions here like this. So this is the process to create the swimming pool initially. Now I will explain you walkthrough for this respected section. So select the ground level here. So now initially we have to go to architecture. In the view itself, it will be consisting of walkthrough here. So initially we need to select the offset here. So here I am giving the offset as 3 feet 0 inches. Okay. So after that we have to start the sum point here. So initially I am starting the point like this. So again I am walking to this respected position here like this. Again I am walking to the swimming pool section like this. Okay. So again I am selecting these points and some important things which is related to the walking for this respected section here. Okay. Again I am selecting the point here like this. Again I am selecting the points like this. So after completing the walkthrough, so we have to click on the finish walkthrough option. So after that we have to click on edit walkthrough initially. So here we have to enter the frames. So initially I am selecting the frame as 1. Click on enter option. Okay. So after that it will show you your respected frame section for this tank here. Okay. So after that we have to click on the open walkthrough option. Okay. So it will show you your respected walkthrough section here like this. So now we have to adjust the camera position and angle, distance, everything by using this dragging method section. So here I am adjusting the positions here like this. So after that we have to select the realistic model. So click on realistic model here. So this is the realistic model for this respected section. Okay. So after that we have to click on the play option here. Okay. So it will load your respected walkthrough. It will take some time for loading these respected options. So approximately it will take around 10 minutes of time. So after completing the walkthrough, you can save this respected project as a video format. So click on revert here. So click on export option here. Select the images and animations. Click on walkthrough here. So here you have to select the frames as well as your ranges. So here I am selecting all the frames. So click on OK initially. So you have to select the folder where you want to save these files. So here I am giving the name as AVI files to my desktop. Click on save option. So here we have to click on OK option. So after 10 minutes of process, the video format will be saved on your selected folder on the desktop after rendering process is completed. Now I will show you the video format. So here A is the video, so which has saved in desktop, so which is consisting of 20 seconds. You can check the output in this respected video format as per your requirements. So this is the process creating a swimming pool with the persons and etc. by using Revert architectural software with the help of walkthrough. Thank you.